Hey guys, it's Brad, Firefighters Financial Toolbox. Hey, yet I got one more email from Ally. Guess what? An update on your Ally's online savings account. Bradley, we want to let you know that your annual percentage yield on your online savings account has dropped from 1% APY to 0.80% APY on all balance tiers. Your new APY is effective 8/14/2020 and will show online in your account details on 8/15/2020. While the COVID-19 pandemic continues to drastically affect the global economy, rates throughout the financial industry continue to decline. To learn more about why interest rates fluctuate, check out the 5 things you should know about changing rates and what you can do to grow your savings rate. Here's the thing, you guys. The Fed has not dropped the rate for 3 months, okay? It's already 0, and the banks are catching up now. And now Ally is below 1%. This is what it was back at the end of the 2009 experience. I remember getting into Ally when it was 0.95. And now we're even below that. So where do we go? I don't know. How low will it go? All I can say is your money is not worth jack. Sorry. Little rant. I had to do it. All right, you guys. Like, subscribe, do the normal things. Thanks.